Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another technique for beginners on how to grip the roots of yarn twists very well. So for my old subscribers, thank you so much honey for coming back, and thank you for subscribe. But if it's your first time to stop by, hello, welcome. My name is GRWM. Before you leave, kindly subscribe, give this video thumbs up, share and comment. To start, you see my client hair is really short and thick, but to make the section clear, I use shine and jam gel just to part the hair well, and I also use a rubber band which will help me to secure the section well so that later on will be easy for me to braid. So I parted the section first so that later when I braid I can go very fast. I use this yarn. I've been using this yarn in a lot of videos, but you can use the same texture. Each section I use 6 strands. I also use a crochet needle to crochet the yarn. So I roll the yarn first before I crochet just to make it easy for me to pull the yarn out. Slowly after I crochet to next side, then I pull with hand. Then I make sure the yarn they are even before I start braid. I take only 2 strands, and then you may decide to wrap either right side or left side. Here no specific section that you have to start it with. You may wrap any way that is for you. And then I wrap till I feel like it's enough for me. You may wrap more, you may wrap less, depending on how you want your style to be. So after I feel like the place I wrap it's enough, then I divide the strand even. Then the first side I put the 2 strands I used to wrap will be the first time to roll and to make twists. Then natural hair goes to one side. So because I want to tuck the hair like very well, I don't want her natural hair to show out, I make sure I seal or I tuck the hair well using this yarn. Then I make twists. So before I twist, I make sure I roll the hair, then I twist so that I can cover the hair well, and at the same time the twist can come out more nicely. Then I continue to twist till end of the section. I take only 1 strand, then I wrap like 3 or 4 times, then I secure 2 times. I secure 2 times because I don't want this yarn to unravel. So to make things more secure, just tie twice. Again, I take 6 strands and my crochet needle. I crochet the yarn. I make sure the yarn they are even both sides. Then I take 2 yarn. These 2 yarn I use to wrap. When you're wrapping, don't wrap too tight because oh my goodness, if you wrap too tight, the yarn is very painful. Wrap till you feel like here it's enough. Then divide the yarn into 2. You have to make sure the yarn is even so that both sides will be equal and the yarn or the twist will come out more nicely. Natural hair goes in only 1 section. 2 strands of yarn I started to wrap with goes to 1 section, and that section I start roll fast to avoid the yarn to unravel. Then I go again to wrap the other side, which I'll put natural hair. So here natural hair goes to 1 section only. Then I make sure I tuck natural hair well, roll the yarn and make twists. Roll, make twist, roll, make twist, and this is how I go till end of this yarn. After I feel like the length I want is ready, I take only 1 strand. I wrap couple times, then I tie twice. And if this method does not work for you, here in my channel I have a lot of videos on how to do African threading styles. Please go and check because I have so many videos. I'll also put the link in the description below. My dear, I can say I'm queen of the African threading styles. So take your time, watch my previous video. I hope you get something, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos or you enjoy wearing African styles. And if you're wondering like what kind of yarn you can use any kind of yarn. Any kind of yarn you can use. Just make sure the yarn you are using is a little bit looks like the one I use in this video, but it's not must or necessary to use like the same brand or the yarn from the same company, because end of the day the result they are the same. Just make sure the yarn you're using is a little bit, looks a little bit, not 100%, looks a little bit like the yarn I use in the video. So again, I part first, then I apply shine and jam. But you can use any kind of gel that works for you or works for your client's hair. It's not like must or necessary to use the same gel as the one I use, because out there have a lot of brands of gel that works really well. So just pick the one you find it's easy for you to get and that works for your hair. Then I repart it again to get clean section. Just take your time. If you don't know how to part, the more you practice, the better results you get. For those who have been in my channel for a while, I hope you already find out that I like braiding yarn or threading or wool, because first, the yarn does not have bad smell, and the second thing, it's long time protective style. You can keep up to 8 weeks. And it's really help you grow your hair. And another thing, it's easy to take care African threading. No matter which style you braid, it's just a very easy to maintain. Even if you want to moisturize your scalp, it's very easy. Yeah, I can say like it's not complicated hairstyle. Then if you have any idea of any kind of hairstyle you wish I can make a video for it, please leave your comment in the comment section. Just tell me which kind of style you want me to make video for it, because guys, I'm here because of you and I'm really grateful and thankful for you guys. You are the reason why I'm here. So just feel free to let me know if you have any suggestions of any kind of video you wish I can make for you guys, and I will do it. Here I almost done with braiding. So after I finish braiding, I go ahead and I trim off all the excess yarn. You may decide if you want to band the ends, but once you band the ends, sometimes the end will stuck on your clothes depending on the material of the clothes. So you may decide to band the ends or not, but if you are okay and if you are not worrying that after you band the ends they are going to break some of your clothes, it's okay, then go ahead and band the ends. Then if you don't want to band the ends because you don't want to break some of your clothes, just go ahead and trim. Just make sure you trim the yarn well so that the yarn can be nicely and beautiful. And after that, guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, comment, like, share with your loved one as much as you can, because that helped me a lot, like a lot. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Bye bye.